How to use Zelle with IBC Bank. Now, without further ado, if you go ahead directly into Zelle's official website and then look for IBC right here, it's not actually accredited, or Zelle is not actually in partnership or to be operated with IBC. But I'm going to be providing you alternative ways for you to be able to still use the full network coverage of Zelle. So if you do have any specific fund directly from IBC Bank, what you want to do is just to look for any accredited bank from directly on Zelle. Say for example, let's go ahead and try into Affinity One FCU. So this is what you're going to do. From IBC Bank, you're just gonna go ahead and log in into your account, transfer the whole fund that you have from here directly to Affinity One FCU so that it will actually work on using Zelle with this kind of accredited bank. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use Zelle with IBC Bank.